is Monday at 4:10, and the only reason I'm going to put this video up is because my sister was dancing over there. Oh, and yeah, she has a YouTube channel too, so you can go check that out. It'll be somewhere around here. Right there. Bing! So, yeah. It is 4:11 p.m. on Monday, July something or other, and I'm really bored, and I have nothing to talk about. So, well, yeah, nothing to talk about. I have work tomorrow. Yay me. Yeah. I was sitting out on my back deck, and with my sister actually, and like there were these cardinals and a male cardinal, and he was really pretty. He was all red and stuff. And then the female cardinal came over. You could tell the difference because the really red ones are male, and the brown one, like the brownish reddish ones, are the female. The male birds are like a lot prettier to attract females. So yeah. Like if you see in my birds, like the boy bird Jupiter, he has a yellow head and he's very bright, you know. And the comet, actually, who's the female, is very dull in color. Not a lot going on in her, you know. But Jupsy's got that big brightness in his face. So, yeah. Wow, I sit here talking about birds all day. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. So, bye, people.